Welcome to your 5-minute meditation. Take a seat on a block, a cushion, a bolster. Cross your legs. Or sit on a straight back chair, bringing your feet parallel to the floor. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, centering you here to your meditation seat. And now elongate your breath. Take a deep breath in and release. With your eyes closed, use your mind's eye to notice your meditation seat, your sit bones rooted in to the earth. Notice your feet pressed into the earth. Notice your tailbone, your mid-back, your upper back, your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and release. Relax your shoulders back and down. Lift the crown of the head up. Notice your forehead, your facial muscles. Relax. Take a deep breath in and release. In meditation, thoughts will come in. They will always show up, and now is your time to create space around your thoughts. By bringing your attention to your breath, my voice, the music allows you to create that space and be present to this moment. So again, notice your seat, your feet. Lift the crown of the head up and relax the shoulders back and down. Take a deep breath in and release. Bring presence to this moment. It's time to be awake. By seeing the truth about who we truly are and what our gifts are is empowering. Our life is full of illusions, and we cling to them, trying to control them. When we let go of the control, we are willing to come apart and see. We then seek the truth and begin anew. Take a breath in and release. Again, notice your tailbone all the way up to the base of your neck. Notice your crown of your head lifted up. And notice you. Notice being present. Be aware of your breathing. Notice how this takes attention away from your thinking and creates space. Take a breath in and release. Bring your hands to your heart. And in gratitude we say, Namaste. Your meditation is complete.